In this video, I will show you how to unlock your Samsung S26 Ultra if you have perhaps forgotten your PIN pattern or password on it. So unfortunately, the only way how to unlock and gain access to this phone is by doing a hard reset if you do not remember your security details. And that also involves actually deleting everything you have on your phone. So all your pictures, videos, documents you have on it will be completely gone. So there's really no other way how to bypass this due to the extra good security on these phones. So if you want to do that, you'll have to also get a computer or laptop where to plug it in. So take your cables that you use to charge your phone and plug these together. Also, it can even be a Mac. So it can't be a charger, but it has to be like a computer or laptop where to plug in. And then we are going to need to go to the bootloader. So the way we do it, we first press and hold the power button plus volume down till the phone shuts down. And once it shuts down, we are going to jump to holding the power plus up. And once you see Samsung logo, release the power but keep holding the volume up. So let's do it. So power plus down. Takes maybe like 10 seconds to shut off. Okay, and jump to holding up plus power. And release the power on the Samsung logo, but keep holding the up till you see this menu here. And then, as you see, using your volume buttons, you navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset over here. And confirm with the power button. Okay, and then navigate down again to the Factory Data Reset and again confirm with the power button. Once you do it, all your data will be completely gone from this phone. So again, all pictures, videos you had again will be completely deleted. So there's no way to gain access to them. But also, yeah, that will remove also the PIN pattern screen lock as well. If you want to back out, if you do not want to do it, you can do this as well. Okay, good luck.